This video is a visual video. Therefore, it is for you to screenshot or pause so that you can get the dimensions you need. As you can see here, each piece has the exact dimensions it makes in order for you to create a coaster holder for the coasters that you have created in the series of videos that I have taught you in tutorials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up if you like visual tutorials, if that helps you. And also, leave a comment for any ideas, tips, suggestions that you may have. Have a wonderful day.